Are you tired of missing out on exclusive Discord badges because you can't figure out how quests work? Here's exactly how to get one. These badges are a great way to show off on your profile, but the whole process can be surprisingly tricky to find if you don't know where to look. So, we'll cover finding the quest, accepting it, completing the task, and finally claiming your badge. Let's start. First, you need to locate where quests actually live. This is the part that trips most people up. In your Discord desktop app or the web version, you might see a small quest bar right at the bottom of your friend list or at the top of the app window. It can look a little different depending on which update you're on, but the settings method is the most reliable. I've checked this against the official Discord support articles, and it's the surefire way to find it. Once you find a quest that looks interesting, accept it. Select the sponsored quest and click the big Accept Quest button. But before you do, here's the really important part. Read the specific requirements carefully. Some quests just want you to play a certain game, but a lot of them require you to stream that game to a friend in a voice channel for a set amount of time, like 15 minutes. Knowing this up front saves you a ton of frustration later. Now the real work begins. You need to complete the task. If the quest requires you to play a specific game, launch that game. But if streaming is required, this is where you need to be careful. Join a Discord voice channel and make sure at least one friend is in there with you. Then start your stream. You want to stream your gameplay to that voice channel. And here is a common pitfall. Make sure you are logged into the desktop app, not the browser version. The desktop app is much better at tracking your progress. A lot of people get stuck here, thinking it's not working, but it's usually just a browser tracking issue. Just let the game run while you're streaming. It might take a few minutes for the progress bar to update, so be patient. After you've met the requirements, the progress bar in the Quest tab should show as complete. Go back to that Quests tab in your settings or the Quest homepage. Select the completed quest and click Claim Reward. That's it. The badge is automatically added to your profile. No extra steps needed. So let's quickly recap from the very beginning. Go to your Discord Friends page. From there, you can navigate to the quest home. Click on Accept Quest for an active one. After accepting, you can check your progress by clicking on Claimed Quests. And finally, click on the highlighted area to see all the details and confirm you're on track. And that is how you get a Discord Quest badge. It takes a little bit of setup, but once you've done it once, you'll be able to grab any new badge that comes out. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting that next rare badge for your profile.